Hi, my name is Xinyi Tu, and I'm a graduate student in biochemistry from Arizona State University. I received PhRMA Foundation Predoctoral Fellowship in drug delivery. I gained strong interest into biological sciences since I was a kid. I can still remember my parents had a lot of textbooks for medical sciences because they both work in the hospital. And I got to understand how human body works by reading those huge books. Even though they're like huge books even for grad students, as a kid, I kind of enjoy knowing more knowledge from those books. But what makes me so determined to do cancer studies is that I realized cancer can bring away family members. Though my parents both work in the hospital, they just couldn't stop it. And my mom was really sad when both of my grandparents were brought away by cancer. So I applied for the PhD program aiming to understand cancers and then try to develop new therapeutics to cancers. My PhRMA Foundation funded research focuses on developing a cancer vaccine platform that can train the immune system to kill the cancer cells. We design the RNA molecules and fold them into a compact shape and use it as a carrier to carry the vaccine ingredient against cancer. On one hand, the RNA molecule carrier can grab the attention of the immune system, and on the other hand, the carried ingredient can act as the wanted poster for the specific cancer cells. Then they can work together to guide the immune system to kill cancers. If successful, I hope our platform could become a powerful tool to help more patients benefit from cancer immunotherapy. I really appreciate PhRMA Foundation for supporting my PhD research. For me, it's not only like a great honor, but also makes me more confident and determined about my research career path. I think this is really important for young scientists because we can get failure, we can get bad data during our research, but this award really tells me that I can achieve it. I can achieve what I thought, and also what I planned for my research is meaningful. So I think a turning point of my PhD journey was at the third year. Before that, I was shadowing senior students in a collaborating lab, and she really taught me everything in details, especially for some animal parts and the immunological studies. And she really helped me out when I was still getting familiar with my PhD life in a foreign country. And later she was graduating. I'm happy for her. And we also have new grad students joining the lab. Then I thought, oh, now it's my turn to pass on what I've learned, to pass on all this knowledge to the new students. I feel really good about the responsibility for helping new students to get ready for their research journey. And it's really achieving moment when I hear them saying that, oh, Xinyi, what you taught me was really helpful. And I think that's the moment I think most important during my PhD. So I really enjoyed learning new things for research. I had pure biological science background for my undergrad studies, but I joined a biochemistry and nanotechnology lab for PhD. So I really have to learn a lot of things like synthesizing the peptides, designing and fabricating the nanostructures. And when I first joined the lab, I've never heard about those things before. To keep myself motivated about research, I would divide my big goal into some smaller goals, and I would reward myself after achieving each smaller one. Usually like going out for good dining, and I really enjoy those moments, and it's a positive feedback for the PhD students. I would recommend early researchers to think more about the significance of your research. So my PhD advisor, Dr. Hao Yan, often asks us to think why your research is important and what are the unmet needs. So it can truly help you evaluate your project before you actually start, so you don't waste your time on something that's not so important. As for my future career goals, I plan to go for postdoc maybe in a cancer immunology lab. It would be great if we can have a chance to collaborate with doctors or professors who work in the clinical trials, because I hope one day my research can truly benefit patients, but not just on the papers.